Hello guys, this is Ms. Shujat and today we are making golgappe. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to take 250 gram of suji and 1/4 cup of oil and half cup of water. Now I am pouring oil in it and mix with the help of a spoon. When the oil is mixed well in the suji, so after that we will mix half cup of water. And this dough has to be kneaded very soft. This dough has to be kneaded very soft because suji absorbs more water, so we have to put 2 or more 3 tablespoons of water if you need. When the dough is ready, cover it with a wet cloth. Now I am leaving the oil to heat for this amount of time. And now I am cutting this dough into small pieces. And let's make up balls of it. And now I am rolling it smoothly. Neither should the rolling to be thick nor too thin. Like this, as you can see. Now we will put this rolled puri into the pan. And listen, do not move the puri after putting in the pan. The puri will start puffing up on its own. When it starts turning a little bit brown, take it out of the pan. And now you can see my puri looks so crunchy. Thank you for watching.